Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Girls Toolbox is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for any DIY enthusiast or homeowner, offering a comprehensive collection of tools designed for a wide range of tasks, from simple repairs to more complex projects, ensuring you have the right instrument at your fingertips whenever a need arises, making it an indispensable asset for maintaining and improving your living space with confidence and efficiency. Number 5. Stalwart Pink Toolbox Organizer. Keep all your small items like screws, beads, and hardware perfectly organized. It features multiple compartments and removable dividers for ultimate customization. This organizer is designed for easy transport. With sturdy latches, a convenient handle, and a secure front cover, you can take it anywhere with confidence. Made from tough, high-impact polypropylene, this box is built to last. It's the ideal long-term solution for storing all your supplies, whether at home or on the go. Its multi-purpose design makes it perfect for a variety of uses. Use it for fishing tackle, crafting supplies, jewelry, sewing, or organizing hardware like nails and screws. The drawers come with customizable compartments, allowing you to arrange your items just the way you like. It also includes a top storage tray for added convenience. This practical organizer comes in a vibrant pink and black color scheme. It's not only functional but also adds a touch of style to your storage solutions. What we like? This organizer offers a highly customizable storage solution with its removable compartments. If you have a variety of small items like beads, screws, or craft supplies that need to be kept separate and tidy, this is an excellent choice. Its lightweight design and secure latches make it perfect for taking your supplies on the go. What people say? The configurable drawer interiors are very helpful for storage organization. More than sturdy enough for the job, definitely makes efficient use of space. It holds diamond painting art little diamonds, and the top section holds everything else: scissors, wax, tools, glasses. And I can carry it around easily. It's very versatile. The small containers have dividers that allow for larger items. Number 4. Hi-Spec 35-piece pink electric screwdriver toolkit. Introducing a versatile tool set designed for everyday home tasks. It simplifies furniture assembly and household repairs with ease. This rechargeable electric screwdriver offers convenient power on the go with USB charging. Its torque ensures secure fastening for all your needs. With a variety of bits, it tackles any screw type for home repairs. The extended reach allows access to even the tightest spots. Handle small household items with precision using these fine-tip tools. The included pliers offer versatile use for detailed tasks. It comes with a comprehensive picture hanging kit and a retractable tape measure. A spirit level ensures perfect alignment for your projects. Everything is neatly organized in a durable storage case. It's compact, portable, and makes an ideal gift for any home. What we like? This set features a rechargeable electric screwdriver that makes furniture assembly and household tasks a breeze. If you're looking for a convenient way to handle common repairs and installations without much effort, this kit is ideal. It comes with all the necessary bits and handy accessories for a wide range of home repairs. What people say? The 8V cordless drill has plenty of power for everyday tasks like hanging shelves, assembling furniture, or small repairs. It charges quickly with the USB cord and feels lightweight but sturdy in the hand, making it great even for beginners. The tool selection is fantastic: screwdrivers, pliers, drill bits, a hammer, and more, everything neatly organized in a durable case. I love that every piece has its own spot, so nothing gets lost or jumbled around. Having my own little battery-operated drill screwdriver is fantastic. Torque is strong and has been able to handle whatever I need it for: furniture assembly, fixing doorknobs, tightening chair legs and cabinet doors, etc. Number 3. Kids Pink Tool Set. Introducing a fun and engaging tool set designed just for little hands. It's packed with everything they need to start their building adventures. This kit includes a handy toolbox, a pretend drill that really spins, a hammer, saw, and so much more. They can learn the names and functions of each tool as they play. Crafted from durable, non-toxic ABS plastic with smooth, rounded edges, these tools are safe for your child. The bright colors and realistic look will keep them entertained for hours. The included portable toolbox makes it easy for your child to keep their tools organized. They can take their building projects anywhere, whether at home or on the go. This tool set is an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays, perfect for children aged 3 to 6. It encourages pretend play and early learning, sparking creativity and problem-solving skills. What we like. This is a fantastic toy tool set designed for young children, featuring a realistic toy drill with sound and movement. If you have a toddler aged 3 to 6 who loves to imitate adults and engage in pretend play, this set is perfect. It encourages learning about tools in a safe and fun way, and the portable toolbox helps keep everything organized. What people say. She tightened up their joints with the drill and hammered away on their bones while we watched her having so much fun. My nieces and nephews all the way up to age 10 also enjoy it when they visit and go around the house, fixing things. Her mom says she works on doors and other things in the house including her Barbie car. Number 2. Hi-Spec 25-piece pink household tool set. Introducing the Hi-Spec 25-piece pink tool set, designed for your household needs. It's neatly organized in a compact case, perfect for easy storage and transport. Experience enhanced control and comfort with soft, non-slip handles on the pliers and hammer. This design helps reduce hand fatigue, even during longer tasks. Add a touch of style to your toolkit with its vibrant pink trim and lightweight design. It's a practical and appealing choice for anyone who appreciates both function and fashion. This comprehensive set includes all the essential tools you need for light home repairs and DIY projects. Everything is organized in a case for quick and easy access. Built for new homeowners, beginners, and renters, this set features sturdy tools and a robust case. It's designed to keep everything securely in place for any project. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This pink tool set is a perfect choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Bring cheer and functionality to their projects this festive season. What we like. This tool kit is designed to be neat, compact, and incredibly easy to carry, fitting into a book-sized case. If you live in a small space like an apartment or dorm, or if you're a beginner looking for essential tools for light home repairs, this set is a great starter option. The comfortable grip handles make tasks more enjoyable. What people say. It's a compact toolkit, great for assembling furniture and hanging pictures on the wall. The magnetic screwdriver heads hold onto the screws, which is very helpful. It has all the other small tools that I might need. The quality really impressed me. The hammer has a solid grip, the pliers and screw bits feel sturdy, and the tape measure and voltage tester are great extras that make it a complete all-in-one set. Everything fits neatly in a small, organized case that's easy to store in a drawer or cabinet. It has the basic tools for beginners. Thus far, it has proven capable of meeting simple tasks. Number 1. Magic 4U Toy Tool Set for Kids. Introducing the Magic 4U Toy Tool Set, a complete collection designed for little builders. It comes with everything they need to start their construction adventures. This set features realistic tools like a working electric drill with sound and a retractable tape measure. The included hat and goggles add to the pretend play fun. Crafted from high-quality, child-safe plastic, these tools are built to last. They are designed to be durable and reduce the risk of injury during play. Encourage hands-on learning, creativity, and imagination with this versatile tool kit. It's a great way for children to participate in family projects and feel a sense of accomplishment. Available in vibrant colors, this tool set is ideal for children aged 3 to 6. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. What we like. This toy tool set comes with a wide array of accessories, including a functional toy electric drill with realistic sounds. If you're looking for a comprehensive pretend play experience for your child aged 3 to 6, this is an excellent choice. It's designed to foster creativity and hands-on skills, making it a perfect gift for birthdays or holidays. What people say. It's just as pictured, with bright colors and sturdy pieces that hold up well to their enthusiastic play. The tools are just right for the younger children with easy workable parts. The toolbox holds all tools and supplies that come with kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.